Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Honorable Commissioner of the Ayani government,
our party still strong, viral, and I want you to put the events off.
But any good party will understand the importance of generational shift. The time has come for generational shift. The time has come for what? Generational shift.
PDP belongs to all of us. There are no godfathers, there are no godmothers, there are no super digital something. There is nothing like that in PDP.
You cannot come and compromise all the values that all our leaders have put together for this state. Made our state dirty, compromised all that we represent.
we paid for the secretariat, we have our receipts.
Yes.
The landlord has said clearly with a press release that she gave the secretariat to PDP. Do not bring crisis in this state.